okay ka na sa pagiging okay.
Yes.
If you're happy with that, nothing wrong except that here's the real truth. May mga pangarap ka.
Correct.
Yung mahal mo sa buhay may pangarap.
Correct.
Then if you're providing for their family's needs, you move to level 2, which is provide for the people who you love, their dreams and aspirations.
Yeah.
Anong pakiramdam, Leo, no? Habang lumalaki ang anak mo, you can send them to the school that they want to study. Anong pakiramdam? Lalapit si nanay at sabihin niya, "Nak, gusto ko mag-Hong Kong, kain tayo ng siomai." Tapos sabihin mo, "Tara, nay."
Sure.
Kailan mo ba gusto? Bukas? Next week?
Yes.
Ang sarap, di ba?
Yes.
Versus, nay,
Wala tayong pera eh.
alam mo namang hirap tayo ngayon, nay. Pero hayaan mo, nay, one day. Di ba?
Correct. Correct.
You have that desire.
Yeah.
Now, a lot of people move here.
Yeah.
Nagpabahay, nagkakotse,
Yes.
negosyo, nagkapera. They stop there. Nothing wrong. It's boring.
Correct.
Ganda
Correct.
naman kasi.
Correct.
Because you move to level 3 to help other people become you.
Yes.
That's why, kung nakita niyo OA yung kasipagan ko, di ba? Ako yung pinakamaagang magising sa inyo. Ako rin pinaka-late. Araw-araw yan. Although I don't need to work, I want to work because I want all of you to achieve whatever I achieve, even greater and better. I want you to outshine my development. I want you to outshine my success. That's what I work for right now.